Hi, this is a quick walkthrough for our app Stockmaster. Stockmaster is basically a virtual stock market application with lots of information for a new investor. It's targeted for investors who want to learn how to invest in stock markets and what are the market dynamics. So, first of all, when the app opens up, it takes you to the Learning Center. The Learning Center has a, a lot of useful stuff, the definitions which a user can come across every day: book value, dividend, and all. Then beginners read lists down the points which are absolutely essential for any beginner to start with in stock markets. It has three categories: how to choose a stock to invest in. Then it tells you what are the essential things you should always keep in mind. Then how to interpret a financial report. So it tells the points which a user should keep in mind. Obviously he cannot know everything about every stock, so these are the essential points which the user should care about. Then we have put a sample report also and explained it. So here the user can see the report and he can read the comments to see how that those number convert into for this company. Then in the next section we have tip of the day. The best part of our app is the user gets tips every day. Every day one new tip. Whether or not he opens the app, he gets notified about the tip, and all the tips till date get listed under this section. So here, since we have been testing our app for long, so we have so many tips listed down here. Then when you go to news, this is another feature of our app. We are trying to make the user understand what's the impact of a particular news on the share prices. So news comes for different stock on different times, and all the news till date gets listed down here in news section. So he can click on any news item and it expands and shows what the news is all about. So when the user clicks on explanation, it explains how this news can impact the share. So you can just read it through. Then on the top right corner we have get quote. We can use it to know the stock price of any company. Suppose we type anything Bajaj, search it. Right now it's 1610, down by 16 rupees. It lists down various key parameters: open price, highest price, last close, lowest price, and everything the user should know. Then now each stock has three sections: stock details, chart, and news. Chart lists down the price movement of the stock. We can change the range to see the price movement like this. And in the news section, all the news for that particular stock is listed here. So Bajaj Auto, these three news have come till date and these are listed here. Now going to the trade now section, it lists down the value of the Sensex. We have fixed the Sensex value at 15,000 in the beginning. Now it keeps on showing the current value of the Sensex and the change. Here we have tried to explain to the user how every company has different weight in Sensex. Like Axis Bank is contributing to 13 points, Bajaj is 4 points, BHEL is pulling Sensex down by 1 point. So the cumulative changes the change of these companies, and this is 314 points. Market movers will list down top 2 gainers and top 2 losers. Then my career. This is interesting. We have tried to make the app users appealing. So initially we give the user 20 lakh rupees which he can invest in shares, and as he crosses some points, he gets some bonus and his level gets increased. These are listed. When he reaches the 2,10,000 threshold, he gets a bonus, and initially he can trade in only 3 companies, but as he progresses to next level, he can trade in new companies. Like for level 1, he can just trade in 3 companies: Bajaj, Infosys, and TCS. For level 2, he can trade in Bajaj, Infosys, TCS, Axis, ITC, L&T. These are new unlocks. So like that he can track record of his performance. Then portfolio. Portfolio shows whatever I have bought or sold. So buy stocks to get started, it gives me a warning. So I'll buy something and it will get added here. Get quote. search, access, see, I'm level 1, so buy and sell is disabled right now, so I have to choose another stock. So I'll try Bajaj. I can buy it. So buy sell has two modes, uh, enter your price or buy at market price. So if we go for buy sell at market price, so whatever at market prices it will get bought or sold at that price. But if we enter our custom price, then whenever the price goes below that, then the share will be bought, or price goes above that, share will be sold. So right now I'm buying at the market price. Buy, stock bought successfully. I can go back to my portfolio and check if it's added or not. So net investment is showing 8,072 rupees, and cash in hand has reduced, and net worth is right now 20 lakh because no profit, no loss. So it's showing up in my holdings. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching.